Prolog in 1 minute, university. In Prolog, the operator equals ... is called university. It converts a term into a list. And it can also build a term from a list. For example, the term likes John pizza can be converted into the list. Likes John pizza. In Prolog, we write term equals ... open bracket likes John pizza close bracket. Now term becomes likes John pizza. We can also do the reverse. If we already have the term likes John pizza, then term equals ... list gives us the list likes John pizza. This is useful for metaprogramming because Prolog can inspect and build terms dynamically. So university is a bridge between terms and lists. And that makes Prolog very flexible.